This is so stunning. So cute. And look at that. I can make some of this. Trim it with my scissors. It's kind of nice see-through, so you can see this. Still looks really great. Interesting. Super cute. Oh, there are little ones right there. I'm gonna show you. So easy to get this one out. Even it looks cute by itself already. Oh, I like that. Great. So if you're happy with this, like all cute little, there's so many. I can't wait to do every single of them with you. Look at that. So freaking, the color is so trendy, and it looks so realistic. Doesn't look like super, and the color is so pretty though. It's like, it looks really close, cool too. So I am going to cap completely them because I have a lot of stickers in here, so I want to make sure I cap them. So there's a good question that, you know, how can we keep this one, all the edges of the stickers from coming off? You see, I cap them, so they stay really nice and secure after I rub them really nice, and they stay nice and flat. But also, the condensed glue gels is encapsulating it and stay in a nice place. And then if you feel that is a little bit thick density, which is normal because that's how our glue gels are formula, like that. No white top coat. Let me see, where's the transfer foil? No white top coat. Oh, I have it on this side right here. And I'm gonna floating, like apply it on the top, but using a floating techniques. You don't want to drag and pull all your condensed glue gels. You want to apply them nicely and floating gently. Okay. And just a little bit of my, what should I do? Obsidian, because it's gonna stand out with really cute nails. Even I have this frame. I want this frame. I also have, hold on, I also have this, but this one is smaller, so I'm not using this. It's not a big deal. Instead of me laying on that frame, I'm not going to. I am going to using that just dress a little bit the bee. I'm not using a smaller size for my mixed bag AB because that will make it look more natural. Look, so I'm gonna put just the obsidian. You can add more beads on this design. I think it looks beautiful as well. I was so happy with this. I think I'm good with this. I don't want to do too much more because it's gonna make it look super busy. And I'm going to cure this one for 60 seconds, and after we finish, we're going to do a double secure with precision glue, and this is now going to be done. Great, one more bead on this one. Great. Okay, thank you, Foxy. Is that cute? It's like sometimes it's great that you ladies get to tune in and I got to share with them. Like I get prepared, like if you see all the notes around with me that I prepare the contents for every single review, so then you can enjoy and tuning in so you won't feel like really bored every time. But then sometimes when during the time we're doing it, there are a lot of things coming up, and usually we'll go with the flow, whatever you like to, and then like that cute bee is really cute because I'm always like bling things out, and then I've never been know how to stop to be less, but today I'm really happy with that. This is so stinking cute. I can't wait. Maybe next set I am going to using that collections bee instead of butterfly. It's gonna be all bumblebees, and then maybe next time I'll share with you 3D sunflowers on the nails. A lot of my clients loves it, so this is so stinking cute. And just let all of you know, all of the I think there are a lot of sets of butterflies that are back in stock right now, and they're so beautiful and trendy. So if you are looking for it, the last time it was out, you can check it out now. Precision glue, everyone. This I can't go nowhere without this if I'm using the crystal placement. So I'm gonna do, well, of course the stickers piece we don't need to check, but I'm gonna check this frame because I moved that a little bit down instead of put it right in the frame to create a look. It's like it looks like a really nice big centerpiece. I just want to be in this spot instead of anywhere else because I don't want them to cover the cute veins as well as all that beautiful designs from the bees. Okay, so I usually check first, and if I feel like really scratchy right there, I'm gonna fill it in and make sure you're not gonna doing it on the top of crystal. It's okay on the top of the frames and on the top of the beads, not on the crystals. So before you cure, I always double secure and like clean that excess precision glue, so then after we cure it's gonna look so nice and flawless. All right, cure for 60 seconds, and it's now gonna be completely done. So we did really stunning. We did